Mother's Day Brow gift set has everything you need to treat yourself and your mom for Mother's Day. This gorgeous holographic bag holds lots of goodies and can be used for travel and on the go. This set comes with everything you need for your own brow spa day. First up, we have this very soft golden silk sleep mask. To get our natural brows in shape, we have our golden scissors and golden tweezers. Also included is the best-selling Bombshell Brow Serum to give your brows and lashes extra growth. Then, when you're ready to get your brows in shape, we have the microblade pen, the Bombshell Brow Gel, and the Brow Lift. Mother's Day Brow gift set is going to give you and mom everything you need to refresh that brow routine. Brow Bar by Rima has everything you need to relax and enjoy your special day.